This is our NMD-20628 double needle walking through sewing machine. This machine have a reverse. The stitch length can be adjusted up to 10 millimeter. And the machine is now set with a 3/8 inch foot for top stitching. It does an excellent job, and if you need a machine for top stitching, we suggest this machine. Let's sew a little bit with this machine. This is the sample fabric. It's a 4-layer of foul leather. So let's see how does it work. It does excellent job. If you are looking for a machine for top stitching, this is a good machine to have. Thanks.